Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to give access in Instagram business account. So first of all, open your internet browser here and we just need to open this Meta Business Suite. So go to business.facebook.com. So the first thing that you can do to basically give an access to your Instagram business account is by connecting your Instagram to your Meta Business Suite. So here you just need to find your account right from here. It is in black and white, meaning it is not connected yet. So just need to click on this connect Instagram. So this link right here. So when you click on this one, you'll find some information that you just need to connect your account. So you just need to enter your login username and your password. Now, once your Instagram is connected to your Meta Business Suite, want to go and select these all tools here, and then under manage, you just need to click on the settings. So right down here. So once you click on that one, you'll find this page. Basically, go to people, and here, if you want to give an access to your Instagram business account, click on this invite people right there at the top right. And here, just need to enter the email where you want to send the invitation link. And here, for example, this is just an example, and then click on next right here at the bottom right. Here on assign access, as you can see, you can assign if you want partial access or full control. So at the right side, you'll find some help to basically have an information about this access. And if you want basically it was just a partial control. But if you want to have a full control right from here, everything, as you can see, this is the most control you can give someone. They can do all of the above, assign other people full control, and delete the business account as well. So if you are sure about this, you just need to click on manage and click on this next button right here at the bottom right. And then here on the next page, assign business assets. So select any assets here. If you want Instagram, so select that one. And then here on review invitation, so the Meta Business Suite will send a invitation link on the email, and you just need to accept that invitation link to give an access to your Instagram business account. So you need to make sure that you enter the correct information and also the correct email, so they will receive that invitation link so they can have a full control or access on your Instagram business account. So that's it. That's how you basically give an access to your Instagram business account. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.